Hello, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a favorite Italian dish, one that's soft, comforting and oh so delicious, gnocchi. But we're not just preparing this potato-based delicacy, we're also going to explore some fascinating and lesser-known facts about it. Gnocchi are these fluffy, pillow-like dumplings that traditionally star potatoes, flour, and eggs. You can serve them with a variety of sauces and even sneak in some veggies for a nutritional punch. And speaking of potatoes, let's unveil our first little-known fact. Did you know that the type of potato you use can greatly affect your gnocchi? Starchy, old potatoes like russets or Yukon Golds work best as they absorb less flour, leading to lighter gnocchi. Starchy potatoes work best for gnocchi. While we peel these spuds, let's uncover another fact. The name gnocchi comes from the Italian word gnocchio, which means a knot in wood. It could also stem from gnocca, meaning knuckle. Both reflect the shape of these delightful dumplings. Now, as these potatoes boil, here's an intriguing fact. Gnocchi has been around for a very long time, even before the introduction of potatoes to Europe in the 16th century. Earlier versions were made from a semolina porridge like dough, breadcrumbs, or even legumes. As we combine our ingredients, did you know that Gnocchi Day is celebrated in Italy? Yes, in the Verona region, they traditionally eat potato gnocchi on the 29th of each month, hence the day is known as Gnocchi Day. And here's the last fun fact. There's a tradition called the Gnocchi della Fortuna or Lucky Gnocchi. On the 29th of every month, you eat gnocchi to attract prosperity, carrying a money bill under your plate for good luck. And there you have it, a bowl of warm, comforting gnocchi, and 5 surprising facts about this much-loved dish. Join us next time as we explore more dishes and their untold stories. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Until next time, happy eating.